advice would you give someone wanting to pursue a career similar to yours?
Firstly, I would probably say to believe in yourself. And I know that's so cheesy, but I think it's really easy to not think that you know a lot when it comes to mental health, especially when you hear all of these psychologists talking about these fancy terms and things. But I think especially young people growing up in today's climate, you know, surrounded by people talking about mental health, you know a lot more than you think you know about mental health. So give yourself credit for what you know already would be the first bit of advice. Secondly, I would say get as much experience as you can within mental health services. So whether that's volunteering, actually working, maybe like volunteering for like an online chat web group to like support people, or like a peer program. Because once you've finished your degree and you've done all the like educational kind of side of it, you have to on paper kind of compete with lots of people to get these like assistant psychologist posts. So if you can say, oh, I've worked within young people mental health services, I volunteered for like a chat group to support people, I have experience working within mental health, then you're like already on your way to getting those jobs and getting, you know, where you want to go. And I would also say, kind of contradicting what I have just said, don't get too obsessed with making your CV really long and filled with all of these experiences. Sometimes one really good quality experience trumps 20 ones where you worked for 2 days and you didn't interact with anyone. So just kind of try and keep your sanity.
It's very strange to you to say. I just heard Trump and sanity in the same sentence. So I got blown back there a bit. Some of our listeners did.
Power in behavior. Power in behavior. Psychology. Power in behavior. It's power in the mind. Psychology with Mikey. It's psychology with Mikey. Power in behavior. Behavior is thought. Behavior is thought. Psychology. Psychology.
Psychology.